Did you know 70% of Java developers struggle with performance issues? Let's turn that around with some killer optimization tips. First up, always profile before you optimize. Don't guess. Use tools like Visual VM or JProfiler to find the real bottlenecks. Next, keep your code clean and simple. Complex logic can slow down your app, so break it into smaller, manageable chunks. Remember, caching is your best mate. Store frequently accessed data in memory to cut down on expensive calculations and database trips. And don't forget about garbage collection. Tune the JVM's garbage collector to fit your application's needs. It's like giving your app a regular tune-up. Lastly, always stay updated. Use the latest Java version for performance improvements and new features. So there you have it. Profile, simplify, cache, tune, and update. Follow these tips, and you'll be on your way to mastering Java performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips from Checkmate IT Tech. Catch you later, Java champions.